Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to look at how to use Google Maps. So basically Google Maps are essential for location, like in case you want to locate a place, maybe you're new in an area, you want to go to a particular place, you want to find out maybe where you are, we can use the Google Map. So here we shall go to our Google search engine. When you get to it, you shall type in Google Map. So Google Map for directions. So when I type it in like that, now here I'm given options where I can start from, like a starting point, the end point, then maybe if I need I can get directions. So here I can choose to type in, maybe I want to start from Gulu University. When I type in Gulu University and maybe I want to say my end point is Lacho Hospital. Sorry, there you go. I've been already provided with the routes that can lead me from Gulu University right up to St. Mary's Lacho Hospital. Then in case I need to find out maybe alternative routes or whatever, I can still keep on tasking the Google Map to give me alternative directions. And then in case I need to find out maybe the directions, here you go, I still click here, then they can give me a clear route like the directions. Then here I'm given the time interval of, then I can based on this to be able to locate the place that I'm going to. Thank you so much for loading into my account. Kindly subscribe, follow and like for more information.